Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can export the 1D result from CST using Python script. I created here as a 1D result 2 curves saved in the folder text file. If I want to export them, I have to go to post-processing, export, and here I have the option to save them as ASCII file and name it direct export. If we open the files, that's how the dataset looks like. It started with the first curve as 10, followed by the second curve as 20. As you can see, they have different lengths. One have 10 points, another has 20 points. Additionally, you got also frequency information, real imaginary part, as well as reference impedance. If you want to use this file for further evaluation, let's see in the external softwares like MATLAB and Python, you might face some issues. For example, you have some additional text here, and also between the data, and you have different separations. Here is a space, and here is a tab. It would be better if you can delete this unnecessary information like reference impedance. That's the motivation we created this Python script. Let's have a look at our script. As you can see, it started with input some modules. Special one here is CST result. With this module, you have the access to all 0D and 1D results from simulation file. Input part is the only part we need to modify it before we run in the code. For example, you need to let the software knows where to find your CST file, where to save your data, and tree item defined which data you want to export. Number of samplings defines how many points should be sampled from each curve so that we have equal length data. The main part of the code carried out in 4 steps, starting with finding the items. If that's the case, we can start some loop so that the real and imaginary parts will be read out. It's followed by interpolation function so that the resampling can be carried out with 1001 points as we defined. The last step, we can write this data to our file. Let's run the code and have a look at the data right now. As you can see, the data are arranged in a very clear way. First column is a frequency points. If you count exactly, that's 1001 points. And it follows by real and imaginary part for first curve as 10, as well as real and imaginary part for second curve as 20. If you have more results saving on this folder, there will be more columns listed here as well. That's all I want to show from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to test it yourself, you can find the download link under this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.